Hi, my name is Davien, and this is my Kenilworth 2-bedroom standard. So the theme of my room is nostalgia, and also my favorite color is red. So it's like a blend of both. The nostalgia part is why I create so many of my collages, because I really like to reminisce on my childhood. I love having high ceilings, honestly, because if there is somebody like kind of moving around upstairs in the floor above me, I don't actually hear them. So storage space in this apartment actually came fairly easy. It came with a lot of cubbies. I have a bunch of shoes as well, so just being able to line them up under my bed was even fairly easy as well. Another beautiful part, because the kitchen came with a lot of storage space. So again, there's two of us living in here, so this is a 2-bedroom standard. It's like a kitchen living room, so it's like if you're not sitting down at the dining room island, you can just go sit in the living room area and do whatever you want to do, dance it out. I couldn't ask for a better bathroom. I love my bathroom, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I just stand in there and sing in the mirror. I never want to leave. It has good lighting in there too. So my favorite part about the apartment is actually the window, because of the view that I get. I get to see the city view, and I feel like I'm in the city when I can just listen to my favorite songs and just let my mind go.